Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today we are going to start demodding the Infiniti Q60. So we're going to start with the light stuff. This is going to be a full video of all the parts we're going to remove on the car. So yes, we turn our pretty much our close to 600 horsepower car to back to 300 horsepower. So anyway, guys, let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Alright, so for the guys who already know, my Infiniti Q60 is officially up for sale. Now, nobody wanted to purchase it the way it is stock, laid out right now on E93 and E30, fully bolt-on with the proper modifications. I'm not gonna lie, if you were gonna do a Q60, I did it right. I mean, there's a couple of more things this car would have needed: high pressure fuel pump, different set of wheels, but this car is sorted out and running amazing. But in this video, pretty much we're going to start taking off some of the light parts, and we're going to also show it to all our motorworks. It may not be in this video, but it is going to be in this video, but not today. So anyways, let's jump into it. All right, so one of the first things that's going to be taken out this car is the matte metric mats. Now, I've had these mats on the car for about a year, and shout out to Matte Metrics. They took care of your boy Boost. I had 3 sets of mats for them, for my Q50, Q60, and C63. So this is a long-time sponsor of the channel, so definitely go check out Matte Metrics. They make these 2-piece mats. I use these in the wintertime, and you could take this off and just clean off the leather, pretty much, and easy to clean off. But we're gonna take these out, put the OEMs in real fast, and then we're gonna move on to the next part. And just like that, the mats are back on. Now, in this video, still all the same video, but these are different days. We're gonna be removing some more components off the car. We're gonna try to remove the intakes today, put the OEM intakes back. I don't have the couplings for the blower valves, so that part kind of sucks. I have to find them. I don't know where they are. We're gonna try to change the low pressure fuel pump. That should be actually quick to change out, and maybe the flex fuel kit. Honestly, might try to get the flex fuel kit off. It's kind of annoying, but should be able to get everything off one time because it wasn't that hard to take off in the first place. But anyways, let's go. Let's fast forward from 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. And just like that, guys, we are back. We are back. So the stock air intakes are in. I may do just the fuel side today with the flex fuel kit, because I can do so. Maybe I'll do the electrical too. It's really not that hard to do, but I really don't want to do too much because it is frustrating, but we'll see. But anyways, let's fast forward. You know what, matter of fact, we're just going to do the fuel pump today. We're going to do the fuel pump, and I'm going to take off the JB4 boost controller. I know my car is tuned, but I still have the JB4 connected just as a standard data logging tool. So we're going to do those next 2 things. Also, I want you guys to take a look at the intakes. So by the time you guys see this video, I probably already put these up for sale. And to be honest, because I already built them, they can be pretty easy to put in for the next person. Kind of. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty easy to pull. You don't have to take it apart because I already put it together. So these will be up for sale, and I think they're like $600 on used, and I've only had them on the car for what, 6 months. So yep, those will be for sale. All right, guys, so we're gonna change the fuel pump now. That's the new. This one's also gonna be up for sale. It has a Walboro pump with basket, and that's the old one with the stock pump. You guys need to use this to run pretty much full E85, no matter whatever E85 you're running, pure turbos and up, doesn't matter. So yep, I'm gonna put the stock pump back in now. All right, guys, so we took care of the fuel pump. I made sure that the interior doesn't smell like gasoline, and I took out the JB4 and the intakes. So in the next part, I'm going to be taking off the flex fuel kit, which will also be up for sale. And then from there we can just move forward to the actual parts, such as the coilovers, getting rid of coilovers, wrist sway bar, and the full 3-inch catback exhaust from full downpipes to the exhaust all the way to the back. So I'll see you guys in that next part, so let's go there. Alright guys, so I'm going to be removing the carbon fiber duct lid, which will also be for sale. And it's been really good. It's treated me very well, and I really like it. But I'm going to remove it, and that will be that. Alright, so now this is another day. We're going to be removing the hard line for the flex fuel kit, and we're going to be removing the electrical side that I had already wired up from AAM competition that connected to the ECU. I'm going to remove all of that. And honestly, I still have to find those couplings for the blower valves. So there's not too much else I wanted to take off the car. I already took off the eyelids, and I took off the rear duct spoiler. So last thing I'm going to do is take off the front lip. But the car is still lowered, and I still want it to look good while I'm driving it. Because once I take off the front lip, I know I'm not going to like the car that much anymore. So that's going to be one of the last things to go. Once this car is raised up, then the lip is going to come off. And then this car will be officially back stock. There's not too much other parts that I personally could take off other than the flex fuel kit, the blower valves, eBay blower valves, and the front lip. I'm going to take off the spacers too, but that comes off with the coilovers and everything else. So anyways, yeah, let's knock this stuff out. Yeah, halfway through it. This is a little tedious from when I first installed it, but we got the gauge out and everything like that. So just got to take out the wire for the ECU and unplug that, and the electronic part of the 85 is out. And just like that, guys, we are back to fully stock form. Got to get the blower valves off, and I took off the E85 and the whole fuel system. Wasn't too hard to put it back all together. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Your boy Boost is really turning his 600 horsepower Q60 into a 300 horsepower one. So anyways, let's go, let's continue. I'm already back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today we're gonna get some of the last parts taken off of the Q60. It's a little bit emotional for me, so we're gonna be heading out to All Out Motorworks, and we'll grab my friend, and I think the Q60 is gonna take his last ride modded. So we made it to All Out Motorworks safe, and it's nice to have both of these cars here at the same time with each other. We don't see this as often. Too bad this is gonna be like the last time we really seen these guys together. But it was a nice, cute little drive out here, and it was really cool. All Out is busy as ever, as usual. But the next time you guys see this car, it is going to be fully back to stock height, and it is what it is. All right, guys, so we are back. We are back to the stock life. So I had my friend shop, All Out Motorworks, do all the work to replace this car right back to stock. But we are back. This car is back to its original glory as an Infiniti Q60. Man, it looks crazy. Gotta take off that front lip though. I'm not gonna keep that on the car. And moving forward, next you're gonna see is us put this car back, send this car to some cash offers, and see if we can get the car sold to CarMax or one of these companies. But yep. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.